I'd like to welcome you all to another Kali Tutors tutorial session. In this tutorial session, we'll be focusing on EUP1501 assignment number 2. I know a lot of you have a lot of questions regarding MyLab, okay? And I'll try to answer all the questions in that regard. Okay, so firstly, you need to know that for 2024 semester 1, we are not going to access MyLab. Everything that we are going to do in this module this year will be done on my modules under my UNISA. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is to go to my UNISA and then search for your EUP group. Your EUP group is the one that has a T at the end. Okay, so you'll have two links. This one is a general link and this one is your group link. Okay, your assignments will be under this group link. Okay, so click on this one here. So once you click on that one, as you can see, you'll get information such as your teaching assistants, your group number and stuff like that. Okay, and then once you are here, you can access your assignments using this sidebar here. So since we are interested in assignment number 2, this is where I am supposed to click. Okay, so click on this one. If you are using a mobile device, it might appear a little different, but you are supposed to follow the same steps. Okay, so click on assessment 2. So once you have this open, you'll notice that you have two files here. Okay, so the first file is where you will get the instructions to do the assignment. The second file is where you're actually going to do the assignment. Okay, so you'll only submit this one, but you must be careful when you submit the document. One of the instructions will tell you how to name the document. Okay, so I'll show that as we continue. Okay, so before you begin, click on this one to download it. Okay, click on this one. If you click on that one, you see it has downloaded one file, assessment 2 instructions. Okay, then you click the second one. Okay, click on the second file. It does the same, and then you'll see, if you check here, it says working file. Okay, so don't worry about the numbers at the end. It's simply because I've downloaded this file several times. Okay, so now that you have your files, you need to go where your files are downloaded to. In my case, all my downloads go to downloads folder. Okay, so that's where I'm gonna go. Okay, let's go to downloads folder. Okay, so this is my downloads folder. This is my working document. Double click on this one to open it. Double click on that one, and also double click on this one to open it. Okay, double click on this one as well. Okay, okay, so let me wait for the files to open. Okay, then click enable editing. Okay, then go to the second file. Where is it? Okay, the second one is not opened yet, so I'll double click on it as well. Double click on this one. Okay, it also says enable editing. Okay, so you are not going to do anything on this file. Okay, the only thing that you do here is just to read. Okay, so if you look at how this file is structured, it's exactly like MyLab. Okay, but I think the university actually compiled this. Okay, even if they did not really compile everything, they've made some modifications to suit their needs. Okay, so now that we are here, we can begin with the assignment. So what you do is you read the instruction, and then on the instructions file, and then you go to your working document, this one. You go to your working document and implement whatever you read on this one. Okay, so let us begin. Let us just read step number 1 and then implement what they said we should do. Okay, in this case it reads as follows. Open the Word document EUP1501 MS Word Assessment 2 Doc. Okay, I've already done this, so I've already covered step number 1. Okay.